Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Effortless Fashion. If this is your first time joining, I'm your host Corey. Today we're going to look at how to properly combine jeans with a blazer. Intro. Okay, so you've seen in magazine, you've seen in pictures persons wearing blazers and jackets and they look very good in it. But you tried it and it doesn't look right for some reason. Here are a few things that you might be doing wrong. Number one, you might be using a suit jacket instead of a blazer to wear with your jeans, and this is not advisable. As suit jackets tend to be structured jackets. Well, what I mean by structured is that you have shoulder pads and a lot of paddings in it that makes it look kind of stiff. Blazers are unstructured, as in they don't use padding in the shoulders, so it just looks very natural when you wear it. So suit jackets are a no-no when going with jeans. It looks okay when you wear it with the pants, the matching pants, but it's not for casual wear. Suit jackets are for formal events. Also, the length of the suit jacket will affect the look as well, so you have to be careful with that. A lot of suit jackets tend to be long and cover your rear end, and if it covers your rear, it's too long to wear with jeans. It's gonna look funny. Blazers are generally cut shorter than suit jackets, so it makes it look a lot better when you're wearing it with jeans. So if you wear a suit jacket that's too long, it's gonna look funny on you because you're just gonna see your legs alone. You need something that's shorter that shows a part of your buttocks and a part of your crotch. Number two, you should wear blazers made from casual fabrics. What I mean by casual fabrics, I mean things like cotton or cotton blends, linen, which is very ideal for the tropical climate because it's very, very porous, so it keeps you cool, and even wool as well. So the fabric is very important as it gives you the casual look rather than formal. Number three, make sure the jeans and the blazer are synchronized. What I mean by that is if your blazer has a slim fit, your jeans should be the same as well. It will look funny if you have a close fitting blazer and baggy jeans. It's a very bad combination, and vice versa as well. If you wear close fitting jeans, you should not be wearing a baggy blazer because that won't look good. And as I keep stressing, fit is king. So both of them should be of equal fitting, if you catch my drift. Otherwise, you're not going to look proportional and that would throw off your entire look. Number four, the type of jeans you wear with your blazer is also very important. It can make or break the look. So jeans that you should avoid when wearing a blazer are things like ripped jeans or light wash jeans. These don't go well with blazers for some reason. What you need are plain solid colors. So something like black, dark blue, white, solid colors. These go best with blazers. Light wash jeans can work, but you will really have to know what you're doing. But if you're just starting out, I would suggest you avoid it and stick with the jeans I advise you to wear for now. Now, as for the shirts you should wear with this outfit, t-shirts, plain t-shirts, not graphic t-shirts. Graphic t-shirts do not look good with blazers. So stick with plain t-shirts. You can use any color you want, black, white, pink, blue, as long as it coordinates with your outfit. I remember I have a video to show you how to color coordinate. You'll see at the end of this video if you haven't seen it before. So t-shirts are good to wear as well as dress shirts. As for dress shirts, I suggest you wear either plain or pattern. If you're gonna wear pattern, I suggest you wear small patterns. You don't want anything too big and loud. So these will look good with your outfit. And at number five, and lastly, is the footwear. Now, you know I've preached before that your footwear can make or break your outfit. So the footwear is very important. Do not underestimate this section. The best footwear to wear with jeans and blazers would be a plain white sneaker. That's the first option for me personally. I love a plain white sneaker. It goes very well with the outfit. If you want to get it a bit more casual or even semi-formal, you can go with double mount straps, preferably suede, as well as wingtips. These will look good as well with the jeans. So try these out. You won't be disappointed. If you're gonna wear these two, I suggest you wear a dress shirt with it instead of a t-shirt. The t-shirt will go more well with the plain white sneakers. You can also wear driving moccasins or smoking slippers. These will go well with the outfit as well. Well, there you have it for another episode. Hope you enjoyed it. You know the drill. Hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll be sure to answer. If you haven't subscribed already, don't wait. Just hit the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. And follow me on Instagram at effortless_fashion. And the fashion, of course, is spelled with 2 N's. So till next time, guys, I'm out. Stay stylish.